Hey, it's me, Anthony, in my room, relaxing and using my cell phone. Today, I'm going to play with Legos. See that? Good. Together? Huh? Come on, let's go. Haha. I will be in Erica's room for a few seconds. Yeah. I will be in Erica's room just for a few minutes. And that's it for today. This is Anthony signing off, and we'll be right back after these messages.